Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how to create an Aster Plot. It is one of the custom visuals that is available in Power BI, and an Aster Plot is a twist on a standard donut chart, and what it does is it uses a second value to drive sweep angle. So the Aster Plot allows a category that drives the chart and up to two measures. So you can have two measures that control the width and the depth of the chart. So the first measure that you add will have an effect on the depth, and the second measure that you add will have an effect on the width. So how it works is I'll show you right here. So you go to the app source, click on import from app source, click on Aster Plot and press enter, and this is the one we're looking for. You just click on add. I've already imported it, so it's right here. I'll increase the size, don't need the filters. Okay, so let's go to my sales data, and I want to have my category. When I click on category, one second, you need to be clicked inside the visual. Click inside the visual. I click on my category. I don't see anything right now, but then on my value I need my profit. Let's say I need my profit. So this is the first measure, like I said, and if you have a look at this, the width of all the categories is the same. So the sales amount differs in the depth. So this one is not that deep, this one is deeper, and this one is the most deep. But now if I add a second measure, and let's say I add my sales to this, now this will be affected by the width as well. Now you see the width has changed. Now the width of all the three is not the same. So this is what can be done in this. And if you want a couple of formatting options that are also available here, you can go to the bottom, you can add a border to this, and if you scroll up, you have this outer line that is available here. So the depth of the outer line can be increased, thickness, I'll make it 5. So yeah, and now just look at what happens here. Once I remove the second measure of value that I added sales, you notice that the width of all the three is the same, the depth is different. But when I add the second measure of value, you see the width changes, right? So now if we come back to the formatting options, we have the detail labels option available, and we can change the colors inside, and we can also have the central label turned on. So the central label will be category, so I can increase the size of that as well, and I can change the font color to be anything I want. Let's make it black. Okay, that's too large. Let's have it at that 16, and we could also increase the size of the detail labels, so let's do that as well. And let's keep it auto, that's okay. Let's make it none, so that we just see the numbers, the true value. So this is how you use an Aster Plot. And if you look at the breakup, oh okay, this is what's supposed to come. So like I said, this is a twist to a pie chart or a donut chart, and I'll just take out the outer lines, because then one of the categories is not visible clearly. Or what I'll do is I'll reduce the size, I'll reduce the thickness. Let's make it 3. So like I told you, you have two measures. The first measure of value works on the depth, the second measure of value will work on the width. So this is how we create an Aster Plot in Power BI. Thank you. I hope you learned something new.